In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make digital stickers in Canva. We'll start right from a blank canvas so you can follow along. Open Canva and click Create a Design. Choose Custom Size. If you are making a single sticker, set it to 1000 by 1000 pixels. That square format gives you plenty of room to design and keeps the edges crisp. If you want a full sticker sheet, pick 8.5 by 11 inches, which matches a standard page and makes it easy to place multiple stickers on one layout. Now, design your sticker. Head to the Elements tab and search for graphics, shapes, or icons that match your theme. Look for clean, high-contrast artwork so the sticker stands out on any background. You can recolor many elements to fit your palette. And you can duplicate pieces to build a consistent set. Add text if you need labels or quotes. Select your text and open the Effects menu. Apply outline or lift to create that sticker style pop. Adjust the thickness and color so the edges read clearly at small sizes. For that classic white border you see on physical stickers, you have two easy options. Place a simple shape, like a circle or rounded square, behind your design and size it up slightly to form a rim, or use an outline effect on your text or graphic to simulate the same look. Either way, keep the border even and a bit wider than you think. It helps the design feel cohesive. Consider your background. If you have Canva Pro, keep the background transparent so your PNGs drop perfectly into digital planners. If you are planning to cut the stickers out later, or you are on the free plan, use a white background so the edges are easy to trim. If you are creating a sheet, arrange multiple stickers on the 8.5 by 11 inch page. Leave a little space between designs, align them neatly, and group related pieces, so they move together. You can duplicate designs to create sets in different colors or sizes while maintaining consistent spacing. When you are happy, click Share. Then download. Choose PNG and check transparent background to make them planner. Ready. If you used a white sheet for cutting, you can leave transparency off and print as is. That's it. Thanks for watching.